In a dramatic turn of events this morning, police forces stormed Kitgum main market and violently dispersed vendors using tear gas. Just moments before a scheduled empowerment project support, a program organized by Honorable Onekalit Amere, Member of Parliament for Kitgum Municipality. Over 30 market sector leaders and hundreds of vendors had gathered in anticipation of the launch, in which it was expected that MP Amere was set to distribute over 50 million Uganda shillings to support local business growth within the municipality's main market. The program, part of a broader development campaign initiated on June the 29th, was designed to inject between 500,000 Uganda shilling and 1 million Uganda shilling into each satellite market sector to boost entrepreneurship and resilience among vendors. The peaceful assembly was abruptly halted when District Police Commander, or the DPC, accompanied by Field Force Police, that is FFP, fired multiple rounds of tear gas into the crowd, causing chaos, injuries, and widespread disappointment. Eyewitnesses described the event as a brutal crackdown on development efforts. In the chaos, Honorable Charles Odera, a municipal councillor and a co-organizer of the event, along with MP Onekalit Amere, were arrested and detained without charges or formal statements, only to be released later in the day under unclear circumstances. The Forum for Democratic Change, that is FDC party, has since condemned the police actions, labeling them as politically motivated sabotage. Party officials pointed out the NRM members had previously held a similar event at the same venue without interference. This has fueled accusation of selective repression and bias within the security apparatus. Simon Ochan, MP Amere's Chief Strategic Campaign Officer, expressed frustration over the disruption, calling it a deliberate attack on people-centered development. He further affirmed that the initiative will proceed as planned across all targeted markets despite the police intimidation. As of this report, police authorities have not issued an official statement regarding the public, with unanswered questions and growing tensions. Many in Kitgum Municipality and beyond are now demanding accountability and transparency. The unfolding events raise serious concerns about freedom of assembly, political interference, and the role of law enforcement in Uganda's multi-party democracy. As the dust settles, all eyes remain on the Uganda police force for an explanation of further escalation may follow.